So I checked my poly kit again this morning. It's only been hanging out for 24 hours, but I was really curious because we had some rain come in, lots of wind last night, what it would look like in comparison to what it's been looking like. It was different. Grass is definitely the predominant allergen. Lots of grass grains on there. Second would be olive tree. And then I did find 2 pine grains, 2 juniper grains, 2 ragweed grains, some fungal spores, actually just 1 fungal. So much lower levels today, although grass, if you're sensitive to grass allergies, that's going to be a problem today. Olive trees as well. So how does this correlate with your symptoms?